Hi, and welcome back to lesson number 4 of the Yang Style Tai Chi 24 form. In this video, we're going to review the technique of Play the Fiddle. We began in the first lessons with the opening posture, followed by parting the wild horse's mane. We did that 3 times, left, right, and left. Then we did a half step up, shifting into crane cools its wings, and then we performed brush knee. From the end of brush knee, we're now going to do play the fiddle with a half step up, shifting the weight back, shifting into empty stance, and then placing the left heel to the ground. That's the end of play the fiddle. From the forward position, from the end of brush knee left, play the fiddle. Before we get started into the details, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber, and leave a comment and let me know what you think. Leaving comments helps drive the YouTube algorithm so more eyes can get in front of these videos, which I think are very important because you're not going to hear this level of detail about core rotation in any other video. Let's go ahead and get started with the transition from brush knee left to play the fiddle. In brush knee left, we're in this position, right palm striking forward, left palm down by the left knee. We're going to do a half step up, placing on the ball of the foot. Then we're going to shift back into empty stance in 2 motions. First motion is going to be shifting back to the heel. Second motion is going to be completing the empty stance, and the left arm is going to rise up, and then we're going to extend the heel into the ground, creating this final position. The left palm is facing to the right, right palm is facing to the left towards the left elbow, all the way to sitting back on the right leg. Now let's review the core movements for play the fiddle. In order for me not to keep describing each rotation over and over again, I'm simply going to say either torsional rotation or concordant rotation. Torsional rotation means the upper and lower waist are rotating in opposite directions, and concordant rotation means the upper and lower waist are rotating in the same direction. At the end of brush knee left, I have torsional rotation on the right. Upper waist turning to the left, lower waist turning to the right. Now I'm going to step up by flexing my right hip and changing the torsional rotation to the left. Now I'm going to shift back by flexing the left hip and changing the torsional rotation from left to right. The rotation of the lower abs on the right are pulling my weight back towards the heel. Now I'm going to release the left leg by turning the upper waist to the right, meaning concordant clockwise rotation of upper and lower waist. And then I'm going to extend my left hip, turning the upper waist to the left, and that's going to create the final position of play the fiddle. Let me go through briefly the Tai Chi 8 energies that are being used. We're in push with extension of the right hip, split with flexion of the right hip, split with flexion of the left hip, elbow strike with flexion of the left hip, and then pluck with extension of the left hip. I'll put the details of the 8 techniques and core rotation correlates into the description section so you can read them there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you click that like button and already have subscribed to the channel, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to review Repulse Monkey.